Experience ultimate relaxation with our massage parlor website template, crafted using Element Pack Pro. Start with a serene, full-width image and central booking button, welcoming clients to schedule with ease. Display a diverse range of services, each tailored to wellness needs and easily navigable with one click. Highlight your story through captivating visuals and words that reflect your dedication. Showcase premium massage oils, carefully selected for quality, and display service pricing in a timeless gold-inspired style. Conclude with a stylish footer that connects clients through quick links, gallery images, and a newsletter. Bring a calming, professional vibe online with Element Pack Project started today.